Automatic laser welding machine is a type of machine that uses high-energy laser pulses to locally heat the material in a tiny area and diffuse it through heat conduction to form a specific molten pool by melting the material. Compared with manual laser welding machines, automatic laser welding machines can be precisely controlled and positioned with high precision. It is suitable for batch automatic production processing. It can realize spot welding, hot welding, stack welding, seal welding, etc. It has the advantages of small welding seam width, fast welding speed, and low porosity. Automatic laser welding machine equipped with a machine arm can also be very good when facing the complex shape of the workpiece, the precision welding of its joints, and ensure the stability of quality and reduce labor intensity. It is widely used in the automotive industry, such as engine cylinder gasket, hydraulic tappet seal welding, spark plug welding, etc. In addition, it is also used in rail transportation industry, aerospace industry, agricultural machinery industry, and other fields. Learn more about automatic laser welding machine, please contact Jimmy Laser.